All right, we have the tire here off of the car. Step one, and we're very fortunate in this case, is to find the source of the leak. And that is right here, this screw and washer. The really good news is that it is on top of the tire. These sorts of patches don't work if it's too close to the sidewell or on the sidewell. Ideally, you want your hole to be somewhere in the flat of the tire, so the top flat. So we've got that located, and we're just gonna pull this screw out and then go in with the kit. That sort of thing. All right, cool. Hopefully this doesn't like fly out from pressure, but it's just gonna be unscrewing this. Right? So this is just to like make the hole bigger. And see how it's like a little bit abrasive. It's just to get all the extra crap off the sides. In this kit, you can, I guess if you want to put it in like a Ziploc bag or something.
Yeah, because I saw where they had the replacement like plugs and everything.
Well, right, and this is only going to use one plug, and you've got how many left?
And like, should I expect this to like, this tire will be good for a while now, right?
Yeah.
It'll be just like a good tire. Okay.
It will be. This I'm going to do on camera. Just going to make sure I get it all. Oops, and drip it on your tire. That's probably not great.
I'm sure.
But whatever. I'm going to deal with my hands after this. I probably should have put gloves on. But then we're just going to punch it in.
Ooh, I look like I'd be too weak to do that.
And then pull it out.
Very nice.
Done.
Wow. Okay.
And now we just get a knife.
Wow. Look at that.
Yeah, see? We can get that done in an hour.
And this should be dry, like for me to go.
Yeah, it'll. When do you have to leave?
Like 6:30, which I think is just a little less than an hour. Yeah, an hour.
Yeah, that'll be dry in an hour for sure. There you go.